Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. If you are working with NetBeans for Java development and find that the libraries folder is missing from your project, it can be frustrating. This issue usually arises when the project isn't configured properly or when certain settings are misconfigured. Below is a step-by-step tutorial to resolve this issue, along with a code example to illustrate how to manage libraries properly. Step 1. Check project type. 1. Ensure your project is a Java project. The libraries folder is typically present in Java projects, Java application, Java class library, etc. If you're working on a project type that doesn't support libraries, like a simple folder-based project, you won't see the libraries folder. To create a Java project, go to File, New Project, Java Application. Step 2. Refresh project. 1. Refresh your project. Sometimes, simply refreshing your project can help. Right-click on your project in the Projects tab and select Refresh. Step 3. Check project properties. 1. Open project properties. Right-click on your project and select Properties. 2. Check libraries. In the Properties window, look for a category called Libraries. If it's missing, it indicates that the project may not be recognized as a Java project. Step 4. Add libraries manually. 1. Add libraries. If you don't see the Libraries section, you can manually add the libraries. In the Properties window, click on Libraries. If it is visible, you can add jar files or libraries by clicking the Add Jar/Folder button. Locate the jar files you want to include and add them. Example, adding a library to your project. Let's say you want to add the popular JSON library, JSON Simple, to your project. Here's how you can do it. 1. Download the library. Download the jar file for JSON Simple from the official repository, https://github.com/fangyidong/json-simple. 2. Add the library. Right-click on your project in NetBeans and select Properties. Click on Libraries in the left pane. Click Add Jar/Folder. Navigate to the location where you downloaded JSON-simple.jar and select it. Click OK to close the Properties window. Step 5, Code example. After adding the library, you can utilize it in your Java code. Below is a simple example demonstrating how to use JSON Simple to read JSON data. Java. Import org.json.simple.json array. Import org.json.simple.json object. Import org.json.simple.parser.json parser. Import java.io.filereader. Public class JSON example. Public static void main, string args. JSON parser equals new JSON parser. Try. / reading JSON file. Object obj equals parser.parse, new file reader, data.json. JSON object equals, JSON object, obj. System.out.println, JSON object. / accessing a value in the JSON object. String name equals, string, JSON object.get, name. System.out.println, name, plus name. / accessing an array in the JSON object. JSON array hobbies equals, JSON array, JSON object.get, hobbies. System.out.println, hobbies, plus hobbies. Catch, exception e.print stack trace. Conclusion. If your libraries folder is missing in a NetBeans Java project, Follow the steps outlined above to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Make sure your project is a Java project type, refresh it, check the project properties, and add libraries manually if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the libraries folder and successfully manage your project dependencies.